Hi everyone, I am starting my fall collab, which is hashtag for the love of fall, and I'm going to make a journal. I have 2 pieces of the book board that I buy from the junk journal shop. Still can't get hubby to cut any, so I've decided I'm going to do a 2-inch spine on it, and I'm using fabric tack because it just holds better for this type of project. And I've cut a piece of chipboard for my spine, and it was not quite, long enough. So I've got this laid on, well, we're going in about 1.5 inches. Just about 1 3/4 really. So it's not going to come all the way to the end on either side, but that's fine. So I'm putting this down and letting it set for just a bit, not long, just a bit. Make sure I've got my boards on the line evenly. And then what I do after I have glued it, just for extra security, is I'm going to use book binding tape. Okay, I couldn't find my book binding tape, so I have book repair tape, which is practically the same thing, just not quite as thick. As you see, I've got some sticking out up there. I'm going to try to even it up some. Normally I would let this set and dry, but for the sake of the video, I'm going to go ahead and use the book repair tape on the spine. Now I have to get this side. If I can get this to start. Come on, little thing, come on. Oh, heavens and Murgatroyd. Of course, I didn't bring anything out with me. So now we're going to start this side. Okay, just press it down really good. And put some weight on it when you're pressing it down. Probably should have been paying attention up here, huh? Well, I didn't, so now I'm going to turn it over. Ah, come on. And as you can see, I have my spine inside. Well, this is coming out messy. Never before, but this time it will, because I don't usually do this on video. Now, oh, Kathy, you didn't. I'm going to bring up this piece. And cut it off right about there. And same with this side. And you know, you can also make some pretty good washi tape with this tape too. Make sure my seams are in tight. And it doesn't matter at the end of the day what this part looks like, because you're not going to see it. There you have a cover. You can do this with cardboard, you can do it with chipboard, you can do it with masonite board. You can do it with any board you want to, really, it doesn't matter. I like using heavy chipboard for the spine because it's really close to the same texture as this. It's just hard to cut, but it's well worth it. I didn't have any this tall. I've used it all up on other journals, so. Okay, I have to let this sit for a little bit now, and then I'll come back and continue this video and cover it. Be right back. Hi everybody, I'm starting my cover and I just looked up and realized I didn't hit record. So this is going to be the cover of my fall creative journal. And I've got fabric tacked down, and I cut a piece of the fabric I wanted to use. And now let's see if we've got it tight enough. Yep, I don't see any puckering anywhere, so it appears to be tight enough. So what I'm going to do now is put this part on the inside as well. And I'm using fabric tack. And I may not have laid it right, but that's okay. It's for me, so it's not really gonna, it doesn't have to be perfect, but it's for me. And yes, my phone is of course going off. Michaels. I bet Michaels texts me 900 times a day. Well, probably not 900, but at least 9. I don't understand it. I don't shop there that often. Maybe that's why they keep texting. See, pull it tight. I'm trying to decide, do I want to put paper on the inside or do I want to put fabric? I think I'm going to go ahead with some fall paper. Just because. Which one do I want to use? Maybe this one. I really like this sheet. Yeah, actually, that's going to do it. Okay, cut this piece. Oh, where's my cover? I don't know. I'll just go with it like this. even. Pretty even. Okay. So I'm going to come over here and run my fabric tack down the center. Oh, this is not a good time to run out. And then, for extra security, I'm going to add some of the regular glue. Because it is paper, and you never know. With my luck, you just never know. So I'll put this back in here, and I'm going to glue my center in first, and try to keep it straight while I do it. This side. Well, that's a little cockeyed. That's okay. It's just going to be for my own use. That would work better if I got my bigger bone folder out, but I didn't, so we'll go with this. Nope. Always fold your page up before it glues good, and go back and secure it, because if you've got bubbles in here, you need to bring them up. Hopefully this one does, yes. This would help if I turned it around so you can see what I'm doing, huh? It is not the neatest that I have ever made, but it'll do. Because like I said, this is going to be for me, just to write in for fall. Like fall memories in Florida. Yeah, I feel like there aren't any. So I kind of like the way it came out. Next I have to decide, do I want to do Midori style or do I want to sew in my signature? I'm thinking Midori. I'm really thinking Midori. That way if I run out of pages, I can add to it good size for one signature. And it will be enough for 31 days. I put 16 pages in it. What do you think? Should I do Midori? I'm going to do Midori. Just because. Okay guys, hold on, I have to get my punch. Okay everybody, I have already sewn in the signatures. Why? Because I use this big thing to punch my holes with. And I have no strength in my hands. So I have to actually stand up and press down on this thing and put on my weight behind it. So, I did decide to go ahead and use the Midori style. And I've got my pages in here. And these pages came from Sarita Sells, Sarah. And it's all her paper in this one. So I have enough to go 30 days. But I don't know how much of it I would do on video or how much I would just do like walkthroughs and show you what I have done. Because this is just something I like to sit and do by myself. I put a dangle on it that I got from, I bought from Meta Studios, who's Christy Biddleston, because the colors to me just remind me of fall. Because I really like it and haven't used it, so I said, well, I'm going to add it to this one. I'm not sure yet about covering the spine. I may, if I can find like some coffee dyed or tea dyed crochet piece or something kind of country looking. Probably will. I did leave 2 pieces of my elastic hanging so I could put some like fall charms on it. And I sewed it in with thin elastic. You can find this at Walmart. I always get mine on Amazon because it's cheaper. And you get more for, I've been using this roll here for well over a year. And trust me, I use a lot of it. So, yeah, you get more money. You get more for your money on Amazon. Plus, I don't have to pay for it because my husband gets gift certificates. So, I'm going to call her done, and I will do some walkthroughs of her throughout the month, as well as do some other fall projects. And we'll be doing some lives together too for the fall collab. So just hang around and wait and see. Didn't take long to make this one at all, but I'm excited about working on a fall creative journal because I haven't done one in a while. See you later. Bye.